Hey, what's up, everybody? We're doing a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan alternator vehicle cutoff. It's only putting out well, not even 10 volts, 9 volts. The voltage is actually just dropping. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect the battery. It's a 10mm bolt. Take off your cover. This just pulls off the top. Take off your radiator hose. It's just a little squeeze clamp. You can use the hose clamp pliers like this. You have your little trim tool. You want to take off the electrical connectors because we're taking out the fan. So I saw a video and I'm just pulling off these electrical connectors. So I saw videos, some guys did this job. They took out the AC compressor, and it's like, man, all you gotta do is take out the fan. I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's real easy. This right here, it just pulls up. And there's just like two little tabs right here to hold it in. I'm just gonna pull it up and just set it right there and leave it there. This right here just goes to, there's a little hook right here, there's a hook right here, and it just plugs into your radiator right there. Just pull it off, set it to the side. And then if you look right here, you see this little tab. All you do is just stick a screwdriver in there, or right here, and just push it back. Same thing over here. Screwdriver, just push this little tab down. So you stick a screwdriver right here and get it behind this right here. So you want to get your screwdriver in right here. I'm gonna show you something. Like this right here. See? Just stick it in just like that, and it'll come up. So I'm gonna pull it up. See? Boom, it's up. It's out of there. Same thing over here. Stick the screwdriver in right now. Bam. Now it's up. Now you can pull this out. Just make sure that your electrical connector's out. You got one right here also. So I gotta take that one out. Probably get me a little, let's see, pull that back right there. Just pull that out, pull this out. And then your alternators right there, you got two 13s right here, and right here. And there's one on the bottom. So right here, which is what you get from the side. So boom, you got two 13s. There's a 13mm right here. You got your electrical connector, and you got your another 13 on the side. So let me pull out this fan, and then I'm gonna show you how to take off the belt and everything. We'll probably get down underneath the vehicle to get that bottom belt though. And okay, so we're down here underneath the car. Turn the wheel a little bit to the right. I got it jacked up under the frame. Actually, right up under that little, see that little bolt right there? That's your motor, like a motor mount, strut mount, like a motor mount. So underneath here, right, you got the shield that goes in there. There's a 10mm bolt there. There's a 10mm bolt right there, and then right there corresponds to that hole, and then you got another push pin right there that goes in that hole. Anyways, you get that out the way, and then you can take off your 13mm deep bolt, which is the side, and then to get your pulley off, you got a 3/8, and you rotate that counterclockwise. That'll loosen your belt. You take your belt off, and then you got your lower bolt, take that out. Then you got your two bolts up there with your 13s. And once you take those off, your alternator, and then on top, you've got your electrical connector, which you just squeeze from the front, and then you got a 13 right here, which is everything's pretty easy to get right here. Once you take out the fan, and that's it. And then once you do that, you take out your two 13s right here, and this bad boy will come out right here, or you can come right here and take it out right here. Real easy, just like that. Okay, so there's the old one right there. There's a new one, and so you got to slide it off that stud. So there is your stud right there. So you gotta, once you drop it in here, you have to slide it. So basically, it's going right here, over right here, and I'm gonna just twist it. Now, I'm probably gonna go in from the bottom So I got you. So I'm just go down from the bottom and just go down there and turn it, slide it onto that stud, and then put my bolts in from the bottom just by hand, and then probably tighten them up like that. Boom, just put it back together. That's all you gotta do. You gotta take out the fan, and it comes out right like that. Everything's real easy to get to. These are very easy to get to once you take the fan out. But you ain't gotta take the compressor out and all that other stuff like I saw in some of these other videos. But that's your 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan alternator replacement. Thank you for watching. So just showing you, boom, here's a new alternator in there. Like I said, just drop it in right here, rotate it. I like to go on the bottom and then slide it onto the stud, and then you can just put these in, these two top bolts. You can put those in from the bottom very easily. And then, you know, just put your 13 battery positive cable on, plug that in, and you're done. And I went ahead and put the drive belt on while I was down there. Put your shield back on, drop your radiator fan back in, and then slide that back in. Put your upper hose back on, and then connect your battery positive or negative, whichever one you disconnected, and then your job is done.